Guys, MA Fish Guy here, doing another video on nitrite and the effects of it in your aquarium. Now, this is very similar to ammonia, but just not as toxic. It can be caused from uneaten food in your aquarium, dead fish, not enough water changes, an immature tank, new tank syndrome. It can be kind of tricky to really understand that you have it because your fish are going to be just like ammonia high in the aquarium. They're going to be lethargic. They're not going to be acting right. They're going to kind of be gasping for air at the top. So whenever your fish are really acting any kind of differently than what they should be, you want to make sure you're doing your water testing. It's very important to understand what is going on in the aquarium. That way you can kind of help remedy it immediately. Now what you want to do with this is you want to stop feeding or feed every other day or every 2 days. Your fish aren't going to die in the wild. They'll go a day or two without feeding and they're just fine. Also remember, if your fish are lethargic and not eating, they're not eating anyway, so any of that food that you are trying to feed them is sinking down to the bottom and just causing more of a problem with your nitrite or even the ammonia coming back up. So you want to make sure you're stopping the feeding, look for any dead, decaying fish, get those out immediately, do a 50% water change, and what this is going to help do is it's going to help with that nitrogen cycle. It's going to help reduce the amount of, if there is ammonia in there, or nitrite, and that's going to help break it down to nitrate. Now also there are chemicals out there you can use that will help reduce this, and it's AmQuil Plus. Do the water change first, then add the chemical, that way it doesn't have to work as hard. So if you do have a high nitrate in the aquarium, the best way to confirm after the water changes, cutting back on the feeding and everything like that, is to test the water and keep testing it to make sure that level is going down. After it's gone down, hit zero or real low, next to zero, then you can assume that it's gone. You're probably going to have your nitrate go up, but that's perfectly normal. It's part of the nitrogen cycle, so just keep an eye on that as well. That is what's going to happen. But also, like I said, that 50% water change is key, as well as the AmQuil Plus is going to help remove that nitrate, nitrite, and ammonia. You're going to see a huge difference with that chemical. I'm not one big for chemicals, so if you don't want to use it, just keep up on doing those water changes every day until the level is down in the aquarium. So I hope that helps, because at a high level with your nitrate or nitrite, it can actually be deadly to your fish and kill them. So you want to make sure that you're eradicating this from your aquarium as soon as possible. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please post it down below. Check out my website, mafishguy.com. Like and subscribe. Thank you.